BJP Alliance candidate Rajiv Bhattacharjee has been elected as the Rajya Sabha member from Tripura today, securing 47 votes in the by-election held in the 60-member Tripura Legislative Assembly. Bhattacharjee's victory further cements the BJP's dominance in the state, demonstrating the ruling alliance's stronghold over the assembly. The by-election saw a total of 57 votes cast, with Bhattacharjee receiving the full backing of the BJP and its allies. Meanwhile, the CPIM candidate Sudhan Das managed to secure 10 votes, reflecting the current opposition strength within the assembly. However, the by-election was marked by a significant political protest from the Congress party.
देखिए, पहले तो हम लोग जो गठबंधन का जो मैसेज है, ये क्लियरिटी मैसेज हमारा त्रिपुरावासी को मिल गया है. बीजेपी, आईपीएफटी एंड त्रिपुरा ऑल्सो हम लोग एक साथ मिलके त्रिपुरा की डेवलपमेंट के लिए हम लोग काम करेंगे. ये मैसेज आज दिया गया है और आगे जाके जो हमको राज्यसभा में पार्लियामेंट में भेजा है, त्रिपुरा डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो करना पड़ेगा, हमारा सरकार जो काम कर रही है और आगे भी त्रिपुरा डेवलपमेंट इशू को लेके आगे जाएंगे और हम लोग एक साथ मिलकर काम करेंगे.
All right, now I'm being joined live with Pinaki Das from Agartala. So Pinaki, big boost to BJP in Tripura. Well, Bhattacharjee's victory further cements the BJP's dominance in the state, isn't it, Pinaki?
Exactly. This is a message what the BJP elected member for the Rajya Sabha, Rajiv Bhattacharjee, who is also the state president of BJP, he clearly says that the victory was obvious, but all vote coming together of the alliance, that gives a message that this alliance is strong and they are together. That is the message when the opposition raises question on the agenda of the alliance partners, how close they are. On various issues we have seen them speaking against the BJP, but in this election, this is a message that proves that they are together. All 47 votes have gone to Rajiv Bhattacharjee, which was quite obvious. They were very much confident of the victory because Rajya Sabha election, the MLAs have to show to whom they are casting their vote. There are party whip and that was maintained. So that was obvious, but the message is clear that they are together. Though the opposition have something other to say, particularly the CPIM, when they were asked about when they knew that they would be defeated, what was the use of contesting this election, and the CPM had its own way of explaining that they are protesting against the BJP, the cult that BJP is trying to introduce, and on the other side, Congress, which kept away from taking part in the process, they viewed that it is a protest against the alleged violence and the undemocratic attitude of the government. So everyone have their own way of explaining what it means this election's result mean for them, or contesting the election meant for them.